In this final video, I'm going to give you, again, very short sentences, but there's going to be two places where you have to make a decision of whether you're going to go with ser or estar. Let's try this one. I'm Paul and I'm retired. How would you say that? Soy Paul y estoy retirado. In the first one, I went with ser because my name is my identity, belongs to my identity. So soy Paul. But in the second one, I'm retired, I went with estar. So it would be estoy retirado because being retired belongs to my status. And Spanish grammar gives status to the verb estar. It's a house and it's big. Es una casa y es grande. So here I went with ser both times. First of all, it's a house. That's its identity, es una casa. So we went with ser. And then the fact that it's big is also part of its identity, its size. So again, es grande. It's a window and it's open. Es una ventana y está abierta. We're using ser here because we're saying what it is, so it's its identity, es una ventana. But here we have a condition of the window, something transitory, the fact that it's open. So if we went with there, estar, es una ventana y está abierta. It's good, but it's broken. Es bueno, pero está roto. Here we're using just a general usage of it is. It's good, it's fantastic, it's possible, it's probable, so forth. So es bueno, it's good. But it's broken. Pero está roto. Being broken is a condition of whatever it is that we're talking about, right? So therefore it took estar, está roto. She's a doctor, but she's not happy. And by this I mean that in general, she's not happy. Es médico, pero no es feliz. First of all, the fact that she's a doctor belongs to her identity. So simply be es médico. Remember that in Spanish they don't put this a like we do in English. If it's just she's a doctor, es médico. But she's not happy. I again went with ser, pero no es feliz, because I'm saying that in general it's a part of her common personality. What you typically find with her is that she's not a happy person. So therefore I used that stronger permanence of ser, pero no es feliz. He's rich. He's from Brazil. Rich is rico in Spanish, rico. Es rico. Es de Brasil. Here we're using again ser twice. So he's rich is part of his identity, es rico. And where he's from again is identity, so es de Brasil. Ser in both examples. Let's change tact now and work with more handles and the full verbs of ser and estar. For example, I'm happy to be here today. How would you say that? Estoy feliz estar aquí hoy. Here we have estar used twice in the sentence. First of all, I'm happy today. So, estoy feliz. And then to be here, here is location, where you are. So therefore, you're going to use the verb estar. So I'm happy, estoy feliz, to be here, estar aquí, today, hoy. I'm happy to be from Brazil. Estoy feliz ser de Brasil. Okay, so once again we have this I'm happy, estoy feliz. Ser de Brasil, because remember that ser is identity and where you're from. So to be now is going to be ser, from Brazil, de Brasil. I want to be happy, meaning I want to be a happy person. Quiero ser feliz. If it was something like I want to be happy today, then we would switch quiero estar feliz hoy. As you can see, it's very common as we're speaking Spanish to have to make multiple decisions, even in just one sentence, about whether to go with ser or estar.